Well, we all need you, because a lot of people are. Tool bag, just set my ladder down. Took my shoes off because I'm not an asshole. Cocked and sealed. No doorbell. Literally just pulled up. Checked the doorbell. They cocked it. Didn't make sure it worked before they sealed it. It was ridiculous. Let me show you some more stuff once I get going. So one of the good things about installing the electrical panel on the exterior, we have our AC right here, which is on a 50. It's really close to the condensing unit. And you can already see got that blue tape on there, so we got a 50 amp breaker. And the max for the unit's only 25. So I selected only a minute video, so you have to wait for a part 2.